Hello from the Bureau. It is Monday the 7th of April. We're here to check out the weather as we move into the new week, and actually over the next few days relatively few watch points in the weather. It's fairly settled and very dry in most areas, and of course that means different things to different people. It's probably welcome news up in Queensland, where lots of places have already exceeded their average annual rainfall over the past couple of months, but not such good news down here, where drought conditions are ongoing for parts of South Australia and Victoria. And the reason it's so dry is because of this big high pressure area over central and eastern Australia. In the west, a weak weather system brings a little bit of rain to inland WA. Let's see the state breakdown now, starting up in Queensland, and we've got sunny, clear weather almost everywhere. There is the chance of a light shower along the southeast coast, but it will bring very minor rainfall, if anything at all. The only spot getting any more than that is the northern half of the peninsula and the Torres Strait Islands, where we see a few showers and thunderstorms. Winds along the New South Wales coast are going to turn onshore on Tuesday. That means the wind will come from the ocean onto the land, and that maritime air is a little bit cooler and it's got some more moisture. So that means a drop in temperature along the coast, a bit of cloud cover will roll through, and a few light showers for the New South Wales coast on Tuesday as well. No big rainfall tallies, just single digits, but a little bit wet nonetheless. On and west of the Great Dividing Range, expect a clear sunny day. A marginally cool day across Victoria, temperatures between 1 and 3 degrees below the seasonal average. There'll be quite a lot of cloud cover for the southern half of the state, but bright and sunny as you move further north. 1 or 2 showers possible about the south coast, but once again, rainfall totals are likely to be just a couple of millimetres at most. We also see some chilly winds affect Tasmania. Southwesterlies up off the Southern Ocean actually, and that's going to keep the trend going of slightly below average temperatures here that we've had since the weekend. There'll be a few showers for the western districts and about the mountains, but not expecting any rain in Hobart or Launceston or across the north coast anywhere. But there will be some cloud in most areas. And I wish I had some slightly better news here for those dry gardens, dry paddocks, but no, it's a continuation of the dry and mostly clear weather right across South Australia. Temperatures are fairly seasonal for Tuesday, but heads up, they are going to climb later in the week, potentially towards a heat wave through the coming weekend. And now there's finally a little bit of rain for parts of Western Australia, a fairly weak weather feature moving across the southern half of the state. That'll bring a few light showers to the south and west coasts, maybe a spot in Perth, but very little expected. Just a slightly more significant band of rain through the Goldfields, the southeast coast and out towards Eucla, but that will all be clearing up after lunch, and not much going on in the northern half of WA with clear weather there. Later in the week, we anticipate the development of another tropical low somewhere near the top end or maybe the Kimberley coastline. We'll be keeping a close eye on that from about Thursday onwards. So until then, it's a fairly settled day. A few showers and storms across the north, mostly about the eastern top end and the northern Gulf. From Katherine southwards, looking at some dry, clear weather. So that's where we're placed as we move through the new week, and you can find more info if you would like at the Bureau's website or app. Thanks for checking in and have a great day.